Now, I want to get a slab thickening here. On this, let me just go into that section. So, you know, that we kind of, because there's quite a heavy point load coming down on this, we could get a slab thickening there. And because I've got the blinding in here, this is proving to be a little bit tricky, but I've come up with a way around that. So watch what I'm going to do here. So I'll go into the 3D, and you know that for the slab thickening, we go into the structure, and we go into slab, and here's a floor slab edge, and that's just basically a profile. So we go into the properties here. You can see I've got slab edge thickening 600 by 300. And there's other thicker profiles that you can use there as well. Now, but watch what happens when I stick this in. So it normally goes on the bottom like so. And if I tab, actually, it'll go in the whole way around, right? Now, looks good there. But if I go back to my section, you will see that it's sitting below the blinding. And there's no way to move that blinding. Unless I put the blinding in separately as a separate floor. So that's not really working for me. So I'm going to delete that. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the other structural tool here, which is the strip foundation, if you like. And so if I come over to the foundation, here's concrete cast in situ bearing. And there's the thickness there, right? 900 by 300. But if I make this 900 by 900, now just to start with, right? 900 by 900. What I should actually do is duplicate this. So I'll do a duplicate in that one, and I'll go OK. Now, when I pick this wall coming down, you can see now that it's placed that foundation the whole way across, right? And there it is there, right? Which means I can place it the whole way around on all the other walls as well, if you know what I mean. So back to the section. So here's my thickening here. Now, probably a little bit too wide there, and it tends to go from the center of this wall here. So I'm going to do a little, so I'm going to go from, say, here to here. I've got 250, right? And that's fine. So I'm going to do 250 by 250 is 500. So I'll go back to my profile here, and I'll do the width at 500, and the depth at 9 is fine. I'll go OK. Now, so I've got my thickening there. Probably doesn't need to be that deep, so I'll make that 600, 700, say. All right, now there you go. Now, the handy thing about this is that what I'm going to do, I'm going to join this. Well, the first thing I'll do actually is I'll apply that the whole way around. So again, if I go to my 3D, and I'll go underneath as we used to do, right? And use that, and goes in there, goes in there, and come around here. And it's in there. So let me just double check that and make sure in the section that I've got that correct. Oh, I don't think I do. Let's check this section. Okay, change that to fine. It's okay there. It's okay there. Oh, it's a different size. That's what it is. All right. So I'll just pick select all instances visible, and we check the size here, and it was the foundation 2, wasn't it? That was the one I wanted to use. Now, okay, so we're good. Right, let's go back here now, and what we're going to do is we're going to join into modify, and we will join. So we'll join the slab to the foundation. Now, look what I'm getting. All right, that's exactly how I wanted that to be. So it's slab to foundation, and we'll go into the other section here. I got it open here. I'm going to do slab to foundation, and slab to foundation. Right. Okay. So there's my slab thickening for that one there, and I just think this one here has to go to foundation too. Now, all right, so that's pretty handy for that. So remember that technique, because we'll use that actually when we get up to the first floor as well, and a couple of other spots too. Okay.